Well, hi again, and welcome back to Patient Best. Today I want to share with you something that's really been bothering me, and that's the cost of medical records. You see, we at Patient Best believe that you should have a copy of your own medical records with you at all times. You take it to the doctor's office, you take your chart with you to the emergency room, to the hospital, to the dentist's office, to the physical therapy office. Every time you go into a healthcare facility, you should have your own set of medical records. Why? Because they're the only set that's accurate and confirmed by you. You just keep them up to date. And then when you get into the healthcare facility, let's say your doctor's office, you reconcile them with your doctor's chart. Now I know a lot of you say, well, everybody charges for extra things these days, and so the extra cost that we have to pay to get our medical records is just the norm. But maybe some of you have come across a way not to pay these huge processing fees. And that's what they are. Medical records are supposed to be free, but most healthcare facilities will charge a huge processing fee. So if you have an answer to this, go ahead and write me at info@patientbest.com or visit our website at www.patientbest.com. I do know there are some facilities out there that will actually give a copy of your medical records for free to an attorney or to another physician if you request them. And maybe the attorney or the physician would give them to you for free then. I'm not sure. I know also that in today's day and age, you buy a seat on an airplane, they're going to charge you for the luggage. That's extra. You need extra leg room, they're going to charge you for that. That's extra. You go to a nice resort for vacation, they charge you a resort fee. What's that mean? They charge you for parking. They charge you for internet. Everything nowadays is nickel and dime, nickel and dime. Even getting your grades at a university, you have to pay for your own set of grades, your transcripts. There's an extra fee for that. So maybe this is the norm. Maybe we do have to pay for our own medical records. But they're so important that you get a copy of them and you carry them with you. And of course, once you have them, you'll always have them. And then every time you go to the doctor's office, an emergency room, or the hospital, or wherever, you always request a copy be sent to you. Some of you say, well, Suzanne, I get my records downloaded, and I can get a copy that way. Those aren't necessarily all the records. I can tell you that. The provider has his or her own set of medical records. Records that the specialist talked about, records that they recorded on you, not necessarily the same records. You get piecemeals of it, but not all of it. You want all your medical records. So, just food for thought. Take care, keep smiling, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you next time.